eventually arrived in Craster. I've had a right chew on with the parking. So note to anybody that comes, if you're on O2, you cannot get a signal. So if you haven't got any change for the parking, it's £1.50 for an hour, £3 or 2, then you've got to pay by phone. But if you can't get a signal, how can you pay by phone? So luckily I've logged into there's a little shack next to it called Piper's. If you log into his Wi-Fi, I've managed to get on the app and pay, so it's taken about half an hour. It's probably worth a £70 fine and not pay. So anyway, here we are in Craster, so let's have a bit look around. It's not very big, not that small village, but we'll walk along to Dunstanburgh from here, Castle. Morning. So Craster again, little village right on the sea. Feels a bit cooler here, but still early yet. But just have a walk down here. There's not much yet. It's just a little village. It's the houses, big stone buildings, and then if you walk down, got a little marina. Just nice, just where little fishing boats come in. So well, Craster is quite famous for the Craster kipper. So that's what all these boats are for, you know. They come in, catch the kippers, and they get smoked. There's a big smokehouse up the road here, I'll show you. But bus coming here. There's a little harbour there. Keep walking. It's quite nice, you know. Keep walking up this hill. This is where the smoke the kipper stinks up here when they're smoking them. Another hill. There's a restaurant here that serves them. It's your kind of thing, it's not mine. I don't like seafood at all. So there's a smokehouse. Robson and Sons. And right across the street, got a pub. It's a Jolly Fisherman, been here a few times. Mum and Dad obviously run the bring up the coast. Good van going there. It's nice. Morning. Down there you can see the sea. Coming around. So back down the hill. Some big waves coming in over here. Takes any prisoners. Just going to walk along to the Dunstanburgh Castle. So you've got to come up from there's the harbour, little street, and then just keep coming up, past some houses, getting back where that pillar thing is out there. Ah. Looks like we're knackered today then. I was going to go up into the castle, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. So if you want to come to Dunstanburgh Castle, book in. in the distance there, just see it there in the distance. That's a shame. So I've just come down to the rocks here to see if I can get a view of the castle for you, and I've found this. What the hell is this? Bloody bones. I don't know what the hell that is. Actually, it looks like might be a goat or something, because there's a horn there and stripped of the bare bones. It's like an archaeological site. I managed to get a little bit of the castle there anyway, so there's nothing much else I can do. I kind of get up there, and I'm not paying the money today. But I suppose it buys us back a bit of time, so we'll just move on. We'll head up to Bamburgh now.